My name is Janvi Suresh Jadhav and I am a Malkham player. Malkham is a game. It is an Indian tradition game and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given his 100% to encourage this game. And this game has been involved in Khelo India and national games too. And I have played this game since 13 years and now I have reached to a height in this game too. So I was in 3rd standard. Since 2009 I have started this game and it has been 13 years now, and this game has given me so much a name in this world. Like everyone knows me by my name, my own name, and it's a proud feel for me and my parents too. It was a basic district level competition where I played I guess in 5th standard. And it was a gold medal for me, so my journey started with the gold medal itself. I used to select in every national competitions, and it was my like 3rd, 4th competition and I didn't get selected for my nationals, and it was so disheartening for me, but I came back and this is what I achieved now. So it's not a player, it's my own coach, Ganesh Devrukkar. Even he is a player, he is to play, and he is a national player in this game. So he is my inspiration, like he knows my ups and downs, everything, and he gave his every time to me. Like even in the morning 6 o'clock he used to come for me, and till night 10:30, 11 he used to be there with me. So he is my inspiration, and also my parents who supported me. Even this is my first highest competition I have played. Before that I have played national games and Khelo India, which was under government Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this was the first competition I played at the highest point. So when I got the news that I have selected for the international competition, so I was like very it was goosebumps moment for me. But that moment I kept it hidden, because I know like that's not the only goal of my life to get selected in the international level, but also to be the winner was my goal, and that's it. I secured 5 gold medal and 1 silver medal, and also won a title of World Malkham Champion in women's category. I'm gonna apply for Shiv Chhatrapati Award, which is honored by our state minister, and also for Arjuna Award in future. Academic background is I have completed my graduations now. This year only, and in future I am planning for MBA. IDF has given me a lot, so I would really love to thank them, Indian Development Foundation, the CEO of Indian Foundation, Dr. Narayan Iyer sir, and also Dr. ARK Pillai sir, and also Swati ma'am, for trusting and supporting me. And this is what they have given me, and this was all possible because of you, sir. Thank you. Never give up, just keep doing. What things will come, just tackle it. Obstacles will come and go, just go through it. Thank you.